Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the structure and functionality of the web program that includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This program is designed to display page content in a clean, organized layout while providing basic form interaction for the user. I will walk through each part of the code and describe its purpose. Okay. First in index.html. The HTML file server as the main structure of the web page. It begins with a header section at the top, which include uh, wait, uh, this which include a navigation bar containing links that help user move between different pages. Beneath the header, the page display a card-style container that holds the main content. Inside this card, there's a layout consisting of a logo on the left side and a table of information on the right side. Uh, this section presents visual identification and descriptive details in a structured form. The next part of the HTML contains form elements such a label, is input field, and selection menus. These fields receive user data, including text input and specific options chosen from drop-down menus. At the bottom of the form, there is a button that the user click to submit the data. Additionally, there is a secondary button styled as an outline, which provides alternative navigation or action. The HTML also defines several content sections inside card container. It's designed to separate information into meaningful groups. This organization ensures that the web page remains readable and visually consistent. Same with the index HTML. Now is CSS explanation script. Okay, wait. The CSS file control the appearance and styling of the entire website. First, it sends a light background color and remove default margin and padding to create a clean foundation. The header bar use a blue color with centered white text to create a strong visual identity. Links inside the navigation bar are styled to appear bold and clear. And they include a hover effect to improve usability. The page card in the center use rounded corner, padding and a subtle shadow to achieve a modern, elevated appearance. The layout for the logo and information table use a flexible display system, ensuring that the element align properly regardless of screen size. Images are styled to maintain consistent dimension and smooth edge. Form components, including input fields and section box, useful with sizing, like border and rounded corner to make them easy to interact with. The main button uses a blue background that becomes slightly darker on hover, giving it a responsive feel. The outline button has a border-only appearance and change color when hover to match the theme. Additional card sections apply their own padding, shadows, and spacing to help divide content into separate visual blocks. Overall, the CSS ensures the web page looks clean, professional, and consistent across all components. Okay, now JavaScript explanation. Okay, the JavaScript code is responsible for providing interactive behavior to the web page. It detects when the user clicks the submit button and retrieve the values entered in the form fields. After collecting the data, the script performs simple validation to ensure that no fields are left empty. If the information is complete, the JavaScript display it back to the user through alert, message, or other output before defined in the script. This process allows the program to respond dynamically to user action rather than remaining static. In summary, the JavaScript acts interactively by reading input, checking for completeness, and handling responses based on the user action. Overall, this program combines HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for interactivity. Through, through these three components, the web page becomes not only visually appealing but also functional and responsive to user input. Okay, thank you for watching this explanation.